Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. This is going to be another unboxing video, but it's a limited edition beauty box that is launching on the 11th of June, and it's a glossy box in collaboration with Living Proof. So Living Proof are a luxury American award-winning hair care brand. All products are formulated with patented technology. They are also free from sulfates and silicones. So inside you get 5 products and the value is over £75. Now to buy this box, if you're a subscriber, it will cost you £20 and you will get priority access at 1 PM on the 11th of June. If you're not a subscriber, this will cost you £25 and you are able to purchase it on the 11th of June at 7 PM. Now because GLOSSYBOX are renowned for having their limited edition boxes sell out super fast, then if you really want this, if you think it's a really great bargain and you really fancy it, then it's definitely worth signing up for this subscription. Whether just for a month or if you like it, carrying on. Maybe I shouldn't be saying this, but just definitely worth signing up to be in for a chance of getting it, because they do tend to go super fast. Now, as you can imagine, this was gifted to me, so I've obviously got it before everyone else. There's a few of us on social media that have these to promote on our channel, and I'm really grateful to GLOSSYBOX for sending it to me. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All links will be listed down below. I believe you can sign up online for notifications, so I'll add that link down below as well. So click on show more underneath this video and that will bring up description and everything will be down there. But as of yet, you aren't able to get this until 11th of June. So let me show you exactly what you will be getting if you're interested in getting it for yourself. I haven't even had a look yet. I just received it about an hour ago. And I thought, oh, because I was filming another video, I thought I'd do it straight away. So you got a little leaflet here, so I refer to this as we go along. And this is what it looks like there. Exactly the same sort of style as packaging as their usual subscription box. Oh, I forgot to say, if you don't know anything about GLOSSYBOX, the subscription, it costs £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging. I didn't say that, did I? So look, there's all the items. So I'll just go through them one by one. Hey Glossies, as your hair is a crown you wear every day, we're partnered with luxury American hair care brand Living Proof to give you the best locks of your life. As one of the lucky few to receive our Living Proof X GLOSSYBOX Limited Edition, you're being treated to 5 hair rescue products that restore, nourish and revive damaged tresses, including a multitasking hairstyler that has all your grooming needs covered. And it says, forget bad hair days, Living Proof will solve your hair emergency. So yes, I can see here it's got all the details about these products and they've got the prices as well, which I like to know. So let's grab the biggest item then in the box. And what is this? This is a Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. So deeply nourishes and reverses damage. And this is 227 gram. Now I've actually tried a little pot of this. I had it, I'm not sure, in a subscription box or Feel Unique, I think, just a little one, and it is so nice. It is really nice, and it doesn't strip my hair colour either, which is something I look for in masks, but obviously sometimes you don't know until afterwards. So this is obviously full size, and the recommended retail price is £37. And it says, to give your hair an extra nourishing boost, use this restoring hair mask instead of the Restore conditioner once a week. Its thick and creamy formula will nourish, smooth and strengthen each hair cuticle without weighing it down. Comb a generous amount onto your hair from your roots to the tips, leave it to work its magic for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. You'll instantly have shinier and bouncier tresses. So there's that item there. Then we've got 2 little minis here, and this is Restore Shampoo and Restore Conditioner, and they're 30 ml each. That's quite handy actually. I'm going to Greece in a few weeks time, in 4 weeks time, so not long to go, so the perfect size actually to bring with me. You can actually buy these at this size and they will cost you £5 each. For 236 ml it will cost you £24. If you struggle with dry and damaged locks, this gentle sulfate and silicone free shampoo is here to save the day. Powered by Living Proof's patented healthy hair molecule, it moisturises and restores damaged hair while also working to repel dirt and oil to keep your tresses cleaner for longer. Lather it into your hair, follow up with a Restore conditioner, visibly healthier and happier locks await. And then the conditioner, it says, protects and strengthens your hair from future damage by making it 20 times more resistant to breakage. Apply it to your tresses, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends, then rinse. Your hair will look softer, smoother and more revitalised with each use. So there's those. And then we've got a TBD multitasking styler. So it's a styling cream and this is 30 ml as well. This is worth £5, but you can get the 148 mls for £25. Whatever your hair crisis, this versatile styler is the easiest way to tame, groom and manage your locks. You can either smooth it all over dry tresses to control flyaways, create texture and add volume, or you can comb it through damp hair before blow drying. Not only will it protect your hair from heat damage, but it'll create a smooth and polished blowout. It's the ultimate styling must-have. That's that item there. And then our last item is a Restore, Repair Leave-In. Strengthen and transforms, and it's a leave-in conditioner, 118 mls. So the recommended retail price for this is £26. This leave-in miracle worker will give you softer, shinier and healthier looking hair. Combining Living Proof's healthy hair molecule with silk proteins, its unique formula makes your tresses 15 times stronger and helps prevent up to 93% of new split ends caused by styling. It even protects your locks against UV ray damage. Work 2 pumps into your damp hair, focusing on the ends, then style as usual. That sounds amazing. That sounds really, really good. It's a shame. Oh no, I can. I keep thinking, because I'm going to Greece, I can actually put something this size actually in my holds bag, can't I? I keep thinking, oh, anything over 100 mls, you can't bring it on board with you in your little carry-on bag. But no, I think that would be brilliant. It'd be really lovely for me to put it on my hair when I'm away. Ooh, I can't hold them properly, sorry, but they're all from the Living Proof's Restore range. So we've got the Restore shampoo and conditioner, we've got a Restore hair treatment, we've got a multitasking styler, and then we've got a leave-in conditioner spray as well. So those are the 5 items that you would receive in this box, if this box takes your fancy. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you think this is a really good limited edition box? Do you think that the price is great? I'm just interested, I'm just curious. GLOSSYBOX hasn't said anything to me about asking that from you. I just want to know, do you think £20 for subscribers, £25 for non-subscribers is a good price? I think it's a bargain, personally. And if I didn't receive this for free, I would definitely buy it. £20, I think for all those products is really good, considering like this is like 37 alone. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts, whatever your thoughts are, so please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I still haven't received my GLOSSYBOX June box yet, but it will be here shortly, so as soon as it arrives I'll be posting that up on the channel. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.